The Earning Opportunity Paid Tests. Paid Tests with Enroll App Review. Enroll is a launch platform that helps pay you for your time. However, it provides a limited source of revenue and does not pay well, so you will need to be patient to earn. Being able to earn extra money at any time and from any location can be extremely beneficial. You can earn money while waiting in line at a bank or fast food restaurant. You can even make money while traveling. The question is, which app or website should you sign up for to earn extra money? Enroll claims to pay you to test products and services. Let's see, this is pretty much exactly what his Enroll app review will assist you in determining. And let me just say right away that there are a few things you should be aware of before you join. I joined and tested it myself, and in this review, you will learn all about the benefits and disadvantages so you know exactly what to expect before deciding whether or not this is the best moment for you. What exactly is Enroll and what services does it provide? As said before, Enroll is a testing site where you can supposedly earn money by testing products, product designs, services, and more. This is not your typical testing site where you can closely examine a website or app.
The way. If you want to learn how to make money from home with zero experience, click the link in the comment sections. I will guide you step by step throughout the process. It is easy to follow and it is learnable. Let's go. I would also be grateful if you could subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share my video with others. Thank you for your support.
Let me explain how you can earn from Enroll so you have a clear picture of the earning potential it provides. As a result, I created a video that takes you behind the scenes and demonstrates exactly how you can profit from Enroll. Earning potential, paid tests. You will be able to test products and even design them. Enroll is essentially a platform for testers. Enroll members will be able to access all of the tests. If you are chosen to participate in the test, you will be notified via email or phone. When you log into the site, it appears on your dashboard. Paid tests typically take 30 to 75 seconds to complete and are in the form of a questionnaire. You can take the test using a computer, tablet, or mobile phone, depending on which devices the test is available. If the test is not available on a tablet and you attempt to take it on one, an error message stating that the device is not supported will appear. During registration, you can select the device on which you will take tests. So, make sure to select devices that you will actually use rather than simply selecting one to increase your chances of passing tests. Each test has a limited number of available seats, so take it as soon as possible to earn rewards. When you finish the test, you will receive your reward, which will be credited to your Enroll account. I will talk about their rewards next. However, before you can access the tests, you must first complete a series of profile questions. You will not be paid for this, and some people end up answering thousands of questions in the hopes of getting tests. In some cases, even if you answer all of the available questions, you may not receive any tests. But I'll go over this in more detail later when we discuss the total earning potential. How do you get paid? Each completed test will earn you 10 cents. When you have earned $1, you are eligible for a PayPal payout. This is a very low payout, which I think is good because it makes receiving payment much easier. You will be asked for your PayPal address during registration. So, if you don't have a PayPal account but are interested in this site, you must first create one. If you reach the dashboard, payments are made on the 11th of each month. Enroll will process it automatically, so you won't have to request payment every time. So, if you've earned at least $1 in the last 30 days, it is expected to arrive on the 11th of the following month. Each test is worth 10 cents. So, in my opinion, it's not much. But, given that the tests are usually completed in under an hour, you really can't complain. However, if you want to earn a significant amount from this site, you must complete a number of tests. However, there is no guarantee that you will receive tests on a regular basis. However, there is one thing you can do to increase your chances of receiving tests and thus earn more. You can participate in their polls to increase your chances of being qualified to take tests. The more you answer, The more accurate brands are when testing against specific panel groups. However, you may end up wasting a significant amount of time answering these questions without ever receiving any paid tests. Many people have shared their experiences with this, as evidenced by the ratings Enroll app receives on platforms such as Trustpilot. However, I rarely look at ratings because they are easily manipulated. However, many people complain that they have answered hundreds or thousands of polls without ever receiving any paid tests. As a result, you should be aware that earning from Enroll app is not easy, and many people experience never earning anything putting in a lot of effort. Is it mobile friendly? Enrollment Mobile. I understand the name Enroll app. The strange thing is that Enroll does not have a mobile app that you can download and install on your mobile device. As a result, it's a little misleading. It's a website. Having said that, you will be able to use Enroll on any mobile device by simply using a mobile web browser. Because their website is mobile friendly, you will have no trouble reading the content clearly. If the test is only available on a computer, you will be forced to complete the test on a laptop or desktop. Who is eligible to join Enroll? Enroll is available worldwide. That means you can become a member no matter where you live. To participate, you must be at least 13 years old. However, if you live in Europe, you must be at least 16 years old to join. To become a member, simply fill out the sign-up form and complete their profile survey. It's a brief survey that you must complete. As previously stated, you must provide your PayPal address as well as select the devices on which you wish to conduct tests. After that, go to your email inbox and click the confirmation link in the email you'll receive from them. You can now log into the site and see if there are any tests available as soon as you confirm your membership. However, in my experience, you must first complete several polls before being invited to take a test. So make that your first priority. Can you get help? If you have any questions, Enroll has a help desk where you can get answers. It covers all of the essential information you need to know in order to understand how the site works. You can always send them a message if you can't find the answer you're looking for. To do so, go to their help desk page and click the message icon in the lower right-hand corner. It will take you to their contact form. Simply fill in the blanks and submit your inquiry. Overall, I think they have a good support system in place for their members. Enroll is a legitimate testing site that pays you to take paid tests. It has a few useful features, but it also has some limitations that you should be aware of. So, to help you decide whether or not to join this site, let me summarize its pros and cons in this review. Pros: payout is low. Payment options include PayPal and automatic payment processing. Cons: earning opportunities are limited. Low payoffs. There is no guarantee that you will receive paid tests. There have been numerous complaints about people wasting time without receiving paid tests. Enroll, in my opinion, is not worth your time, primarily because it provides limited earning opportunities and does not pay well. So, even though it has a convenient payment method and a low payout, you won't be able to earn much from it, and many people will end up earning nothing at all. If this site could be a good one.
The way. If you want to learn how to make money from home with zero experience, click the link in the comment sections. I will guide you step by step throughout the process. It is easy to follow and it is learnable. Let's go. I would also be grateful if you could subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share my video with others. Thank you for your support.
However, your time is simply better spent elsewhere. In my opinion, you will be rewarded for your efforts. However, if you have plenty of time and patience, Enroll can be a fun and unique way to potentially earn a little extra money using methods that you won't find on other sites. If you have any comments, questions, or experiences with the Enroll app, please leave them in the comments section below.
By the way, if you want to learn how to make money from home with zero experience, click the link in the comment sections. I will guide you step by step throughout the process. It is easy to follow and it is learnable. Let's go. I would also be grateful if you could subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share my video with others. Thank you for your support.